Anantians, Anantex short after the Zoom presentation. Tonight, I'm going to quickly chat about the power of a strong base. So what holds you up when life pushes you down? Have you ever watched a skyscraper, a building, a house, double story, triple story, doesn't matter. The first thing that they do not build is the roof. They don't put in the windows, they don't paint the walls, they build the foundation. Why? Because the height of the building is determined by the strength of the base. And the same is true for our lives. The stronger your base, the stronger your future. So tonight I'm going to ask you this question. What is your base? Every area in life needs a base. We often see the visible stuff, the cars, the money, the bling, the recognition, the promotions, all the funny stuff. But every visible success rests on an invisible foundation. It's the foundation. If the foundation cracks, everything is at risk. So, for example, your spiritual base. Now, for me, my spiritual base is my relationship with my Abba Father. It's where I find purpose, I find my strength, I find direction, and that's where I return when life becomes uncertain. If I'm happy, I'm with Him. If I'm sad, I'm with Him. If I'm scared, I'm with Him. Whatever storm comes, He remains my base. Your family should and must be your safe place, with all due respect. Nowhere else. Now, I'm not going to elaborate on that. I hope you hear what I'm saying. Not because life will always be easy, but because everybody needs somewhere that we can turn to and a place that we are known of and accepted. That's a big one. Life becomes much harder when there is no home to return to. Your health base. You can build wealth, businesses and influence and drive new cars, and you can do all this stuff. But if your health collapses, everything becomes harder. Health isn't everything, but without it, many things becomes difficult. So please protect your health, build your health, and invest in your health, your financial base. This is where many people struggle because most people don't have a financial base. They don't even understand or know that something like this exists. They have financial activity. 1 month we're doing well, and the next month we start all over again. A strong financial base is something that creates stability over time, not overnight, but steadily and consistently. Your business base. Some people have or do 5 different things. If there's a new bling, they jump. They move from company to company, from investment to investment. They hear this thing and run and all this kind of stuff. Now, there's nothing wrong with exploring opportunities, but eventually, every successful people builds a base, something that they can keep returning to and something that continues growing over time. Now, where does Ananta X fit in? I believe this is where Ananta X is different, not because it replaces anything else, but because it strengthens your financial base. Why do I say that? Because this is what we offer. As an Ananta member, I've got savings, I've got protection, I've got education access, I've got gold accumulation, I've got support, and I've got a structured business system. And that creates a platform that I can continue building on. But please understand, base still requires work. Now, here's the important part. Foundation doesn't build itself. A garden doesn't grow by itself. A marriage doesn't strengthen itself. And a business doesn't expand by itself. Every base requires attention, care, commitment, and consistency. A base still requires work. And the same is true for your Ananta X business. We still need to do the basics. Follow the system, serve the people, help members understand, help them use the benefits. We continue to learn and we continue to grow. The system works when people work the system. So why the benefits matter? This is where Ananta X has an absolute unique advantage. We're not simply asking people to build something. We are asking and helping people to connect to value. Because when members use the benefits, they experience the value. And that is a huge difference. And when they experience the value, they have no reason to remain engaged. It creates the potential for more stable business foundations over time. Freedom comes from a strong base. Many people think freedom is having more options. No, I believe freedom comes from having a stronger foundation. Because once your base becomes stable, please listen carefully. You have more confidence to explore. I've always said it. As Ananta X members, we're going to do other stuff. We are eventually, obviously for selected members, we are going to go into property. We are going to go into investments, secure, regulated. Anyway, when your base is strong enough, you can do a lot of things. You can start a new business. You can travel, invest, study, spend more time with your family. Please notice something. You always return to your base. The base gives you the confidence to keep moving forward. Here's a challenge. So tonight, I want to leave you with this question. What is the base that you're building your future on? Is it strong enough to support your dreams? Is it stable enough to support your family? And is it consistent enough to give you confidence? For me, personally, I want a spiritual base, family base, a health base, and a financial base that can continue, and I can keep on continue building and growing for years to come. Because the strongest lives are never built from the top down. They're built from the foundation up. A quick story. I love stories. Think about a tree. Branches can reach in every direction. The leaves move with the wind. Everything happens. The seasons change. Storm comes, rain falls, but the tree keeps on growing. Why? Well, why doesn't it fall? Because it always remains connected to the roots, the base. Branches may explore, but the roots remain faithful to the foundation. Closing. Don't spend your life chasing the next opportunity. Spend your life building a foundation so strong that opportunities naturally have somewhere to grow. And Ananta X, build your base, strengthen your future, save, protect, and grow. So I'm going to close this picture. Look at that picture. Now, I spent some time to make sure that this picture is perfect, as close to perfect. I mean, just look at that. On the one side, everything is happy. Man, life is good. Sun is shining. On the other side, it is dark. There are storms brewing. There's rain coming. The branches on top, the leaves, they are pulled this way, that way. It doesn't matter. The roots are strong. The foundation has been dug deep. So come rain, come shine, come negative people, come people with stories, come another thing, and opinions of broke people, come this, come that. I don't move because my base is Ananta X.